It's that time again. The air is buzzing with excitement and anticipation. You can feel it in the streets, in the conversations, and in the endless stream of notifications lighting up phone screens everywhere. Apple just dropped a new iPhone, and the world is once again captivated by the allure of cutting-edge technology. We know the drill: new phone, new features, new wave of excitement. But this time it feels different. The energy is more electric, the anticipation more palpable. But trust me, the iPhone 16 is different. It's not just another iteration, it's a revolution in your pocket. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap forward in design, functionality, and user experience. It's a whole new era, an era where your phone isn't just a tool, but an extension of your life, seamlessly integrating with the world around you. Every year, people line up for days to get their hands on the latest iPhone. They camp out, braving the elements, all for the chance to be among the first to experience the future. Why? Because Apple knows how to build anticipation. They create a sense of wonder and excitement that few other companies can match. They know how to make tech feel personal. It's not just about the specs, it's about how the device fits into your life, how it enhances your everyday experiences. And with the iPhone 16, they've outdone themselves. The innovations packed into this device are nothing short of groundbreaking. This isn't just about a better camera or a faster processor. It's about a holistic improvement that touches every aspect of the device. This is about a phone that's fundamentally different. A phone that redefines what we expect from our technology. A phone that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From augmented reality to advanced AI, the iPhone 16 is a glimpse into the future. Get ready to experience the future. The iPhone 16 isn't just a device, it's a portal to a new world of possibilities. The future is iPhone 16. Embrace the innovation, embrace the excitement, and step into a new era of technology. First impressions matter, and let me tell you, the iPhone 16 makes a statement. It's sleek, it's modern, it's Apple at its finest. The edges are smooth, the bezels are almost non-existent. It feels incredible in your hand. They've even introduced some stunning new colors. This isn't just a phone, it's a fashion statement. But it's not just about looks. The design is all about functionality. They've managed to pack so much tech into such a slim device. It's design and technology working in perfect harmony. Let's talk about the screen, because this is where things get really interesting. The iPhone 16 boasts an all-new display technology. It's brighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever before. Remember when we thought OLED was the peak? Well, Apple just raised the bar again. Colors pop off the screen, blacks are truly black, and the refresh rate, it's so smooth, it's almost unreal. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching your favorite shows, or editing photos, the difference is clear. This is the best display Apple has ever put on a phone, and it's not even close. We all know the iPhone camera is legendary. It's been the go-to for capturing life's moments, from the everyday to the extraordinary. But with the iPhone 16, they've taken it to a whole new level. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a revolution in mobile photography. We're talking next-level photography and videography, all in your pocket. Imagine having the power of a professional camera right in the palm of your hand. The new sensors are bigger, which means they capture more light. More light means more detail, more color, and more life in every shot. That translates to incredible low-light performance. Whether you're capturing a cityscape at night or a cozy indoor scene, the results are stunning. Say goodbye to grainy photos and hello to crisp, clear shots, even in the dark. The iPhone 16 makes night photography a breeze. And the video, get ready for cinematic quality. Your home movies will look like they were shot by a Hollywood director. We're talking higher frame rates, better stabilization, and features that were previously only possible with professional cameras. Imagine capturing every detail, every motion with perfect clarity. This isn't just a camera upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what's possible with a smartphone. This is your own personal studio, ready to capture every moment in stunning detail. From spontaneous snapshots to carefully crafted compositions, the iPhone 16 is your ultimate creative tool. And it doesn't stop at capturing. With advanced editing features, you can perfect your photos and videos right on your phone. Share your creations instantly with the world and watch the likes roll in. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking photos, the iPhone 16 is designed to make every shot count. It's more than a camera, it's a creative powerhouse. Section 5. Power up. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, and it's a beast. We're talking lightning-fast speeds and incredible efficiency. Apps launch instantly, games run smoothly, and multitasking is a breeze. This phone can handle anything you throw at it. But it's not just about raw power. The A18 chip is also incredibly energy efficient. That means longer battery life, even with all the new features. You can go all day without worrying about your phone dying. It's the perfect combination of performance and efficiency. Section 6. Seamless software. Hardware is important, but it's the software that really brings it all together. And iOS 18, the operating system running on the iPhone 16, is the most advanced mobile OS yet. It's intuitive, it's customizable, and it's designed to make your life easier. They've added new features that streamline your workflow and make it easier than ever to stay connected. From enhanced privacy settings to a redesigned control center, everything just works. And because it's Apple, you're getting an operating system that's secure, reliable, and constantly updated. Section 7. Beyond the specs. But here's the thing, the iPhone 16 is more than just a collection of specs. It's about the experience. It's about how it seamlessly integrates into your life. It's about the feeling you get when you hold it in your hand. It's about the moments you capture, the connections you make, and the possibilities it unlocks. It's a tool for creativity, a platform for communication, and a gateway to a world of information and entertainment. It's not just a phone, it's an extension of yourself. Section 8. Evolution, not revolution. Some people might say it's just another iPhone, and yes, you can see the lineage, it's still unmistakably an iPhone, but to call it just another iPhone is to miss the point entirely. This is evolution, not revolution. Apple has taken everything that made the iPhone great and refined it, perfected it, and pushed it further than we thought possible. They've taken familiar features and made them even better. They've added new features that feel natural and intuitive. This is the culmination of years of innovation, all leading to this moment. Section 9. Everyday impact. So how does the iPhone 16 actually impact your daily life? In more ways than you might think. It's the camera that captures your kids' first steps in stunning clarity. It's the phone that keeps you connected with loved ones across the globe. It's the tool that helps you manage your day, stay organized, and get things done. It's the entertainment hub that lets you stream your favorite shows, play games, and listen to music all in the palm of your hand. It's the device that seamlessly transitions from work to play, from productivity to pure enjoyment. Section 10. The future is here. The iPhone 16 isn't just about today, it's about tomorrow. It's a device that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible, setting new standards for the future of mobile technology. It's about the future of mobile technology. With every new iteration, we see advancements that were once only imaginable in science fiction. It's a glimpse into a world where our devices are more powerful, more intuitive, and more integrated into our lives than ever before. Imagine a world where your phone seamlessly connects with every aspect of your daily routine, making life simpler and more efficient. It's about the potential of augmented reality, where digital and physical worlds blend together, creating immersive experiences that change how we interact with our surroundings. The power of artificial intelligence is at your fingertips, learning from your habits, predicting your needs, and providing solutions before you even realize you need them. And the possibilities of a world where our phones are no longer just phones, but intelligent companions that enhance and enrich our every experience. They become extensions of ourselves, understanding our preferences and helping us navigate through our daily lives with ease. Imagine using your smartphone to control your home, manage your health, and even explore new hobbies. The iPhone 16 is designed to be more than just a communication device. It's a tool that empowers you to do more, be more, and experience more. The iPhone 16 is a bold step into that future, a future where technology is seamlessly woven into the fabric of our lives, enhancing every moment. And it's a future I'm excited to be a part of. With the iPhone 16, the future isn't just here. It's in your hands, ready to unlock endless possibilities and transform the way you live, work, and play. Section 11. A new era. The iPhone 16 isn't just another phone, it's a statement, it's a declaration that the future of mobile technology is here. And it's incredible. It's a phone that pushes boundaries, defies expectations, and sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be. This is more than just an upgrade. This is a new era, the era of iPhone 16.